Hatteras Hideaway is a cute beach box with an extra heated and cooled enclosure that provides endless opportunities. The main living level features an open dining and living area and kitchen with direct access to the large screened-in porch. The 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths are also located on the main level. Send the extra guests downstairs to the huge family room with 4 twin beds, full bathroom, laundry, and storage rooms. Watch the fishing boats come in from the rooftop deck, or just take in the ocean, sound, and marina views. Hatteras Hideaway is just a quick walk to the beach, marinas, and ferries to Ocracoke. You do not want to miss the opportunity to own this Hatteras Village gem. NC12 Realty, connecting you to Hatteras Island.